The rapid test kits which India ordered from 2 Chinese companies are going to be returned. Now, after much fanfare, the government had finally procured these rapid test kits which are giving results within 24 hours on testing, but they were found to be faulty. Their results were not satisfactory, and today the government of India has said that we will be returning these Chinese kits, and also added that there had been no monetary loss because the government had not yet paid for it.
Rapid diagnostic kits have a very limited role to play. We have been highlighting to you, explaining to everyone that they have primarily role in terms of either epidemiological investigation or in terms of surveillance. Subsequent to that, based on duly following a process, जैसे कि मेरे सीनियर कोलीग ने बताया है कि हम लोगों ने पूरा प्रोसेस फॉलो करते हुए टेंडर बुला के रैपिड डायग्नोस्टिक किट्स का जो टेंडर फाइनलाइज किया गया आईसीएमआर के द्वारा, जिसके बारे में उन्होंने डिटेल्ड प्रेस रिलीज इशू की है, वह काफ़ी सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी। अगर मैं शॉर्ट में आपको बताना चाहूँ तो उन्होंने टेंडर बुलाया, टेंडर बुलाते टाइम पर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने सेंसिटिविटी और स्पेसिफिसिटी उसके जितने भी इंटरनेशनल सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं उनको सबमिट किया, जिसके बेसिस पर L1 को टेंडर दिया जाता है। टेंडर देने के बाद जब उन्होंने सप्लाई किया तो उसके बाद जब फील्ड पर उनके बारे में कंप्लेंट आई तो आईसीएमआर ने इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट किया। आप सबकी नॉलेज में है, उसके बेसिस पर रिएक्ट करके उन्होंने उनको कैंसिल भी किया और कोई भी पेमेंट उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को नहीं दिया गया है। मुख्यतः जो हमें समझने वाली बात है कि हमारा एफर्ट है कि जो भी किट फील्ड में आए, अगर हम उनको लाते हैं तो कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अगर हमारे को गलत डेटा देता है और फील्ड में वह उसके हिसाब से काम नहीं करता है तो उसके ऊपर रिक्वायर्ड एक्शन लिया जा चुका है।
I'm going to go across to my colleague Ayushman Kumar for more on this. Now, Ayushman, just take us through the Health Ministry statement in itself, because they issued a detailed press briefing, press note about this particular controversy. And secondly, these 2 Chinese companies in question itself. I just want to deep dive into that a bit, because one of these companies that was procured from, in fact, had earlier provided testing kits to the United Kingdom, and they were found to be not satisfactory there as well.
Aarti, several of the European Union countries, though Wanfo, the company which is here in question is Wanfo, their products have been there in question and it has been approved by the European Union, yet their products were in fact questioned in UK. All of the 2 million kits were not used. Aarti, here in the case of India, around 15 lakh rapid action kits were ordered from these 2 firms. Now, we are being told by the ICMR that entire procurement has been cancelled because of the faulty kits that India received in the first lot. This was 5 lakh rapid action kits which India got from these 2 firms. Apart from that, it was Tamil Nadu government, Rajasthan government, they had also placed on their own, the orders were there. So the ICMR said that after they verified the field circumstances of the rapid testing kits, they found that it was still giving the inaccurate result, and as a result of that, it was very important for them to send the kits back. Earlier, it was told in the press conference itself that if these kits were not found to be satisfactory, they'll be sent back, but in batches. Here, ICMR found that every batch was having some problem, and as a result of that, it was sent back. Currently, India has said that, ICMR has said that all the procurement which was to come from these 2 firms has been put, that has been cancelled.
Ayushman, thanks so much for that update. Clearly, there has to be some response on whether or not all due diligence was done regarding these particular companies, given their history. And as you were telling us, given the history that the entire European Union has had with Chinese products which have been imported in this crisis. Thanks so much for bringing us all those details. Now,